Now get closer, I can feel her eyes touch. Fires in your iris on divine stuff. Making mad pictures in confinement. Pinnacles align and force arises.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? My name's Alex, and today we're going to be playing some more Counter-Strike Global Offensive Hunger Games. I said if we hit 20 likes in the previous episode of this, I told you it would become a series. We did hit 20 likes, definitely. We hit 22 likes and 4 dislikes. I know exactly who that is from. 4 as in plural. It is from my buddy who feels the need to dislike all of my videos. So shout out to you, man. Thank you so much for disliking my videos. So let's get further on with the video. So pretty much I have one more day left of school, and then it's summer. And if you don't know, most YouTubers take summer as a prime time to begin YouTube. Well, I'm going to tell you, a lot of people are going to start YouTube. A lot of people from my school are going to be coming. We're going to start YouTube also. And, I mean, it's going to be a lot of videos from others. I know you guys are expecting me to pump up a lot of videos. So, actually, I will try as much as I can. I swear, I have no school. I'm going to take it up. No homework. No studying. I'm going to take it up whenever I'm not at these 3 camps. And I was trying to cover this. What I mean by busy, I have to go to 3 separate camps. Boy Scout camp, leadership camp, and, band camp. So, if you don't know, pretty much those are 3 very important camps to me because I really do enjoy Boy Scout camp, and leadership camp is pretty much all my scoutmasters told me to go to or voted me to go to and learn how to become a better leader. Not saying I'm a bad leader, it's just, I mean, I don't know, I think it's just because, I don't know, a lot of people like me in my troop. Nice go. I don't know, apparently a lot of people look up to me and my troop from what they say. So I take that as a big responsibility, and I'm definitely going to leadership camp. And I really would like to go to Boy Scout camp also to get my Eagle Scout, because Eagle Scout is a marvelous thing to achieve, and I'm trying so hard to get that, and I have 3 years to do it. I'm currently a Life Scout, if you guys are wondering, any Boy Scouts who are watching. I'm going to be a Life Scout in 1 month. I've finished everything I really need to become it. I just had to wait 1 month, and then it's Eagle time. I cannot wait to get that Eagle. So, band camp is pretty much what I'm going to, be learning how to, band camp. Yeah, band camp. It's probably learn out in March. If I don't do this like I did last year, before my freshman year, I will not be able to March to my competitive show, so it'll be a little boring if I were not to go again because I have to watch all my friends have fun. Who is shooting at me? Get out of here. What a wreck, dude. I completely wrecked that guy. Alright, so, yeah, if I don't know, I have to watch my friends have fun and compete, and I think it'd be a great experience, because life's an experience. I really want to experience a lot of things. Like, if I want to have my Eagle, I have 1 shot to do this. When I'm 18, I can't get my Eagle, and I want to do it. Well, I can't, so I hope you guys can truly understand that fact. If you don't understand, I completely, I get that. You guys, pump more videos. I swear, guys, I will try as hard as I can. I'll try to get a video up every single day. I also have to go to soccer practice. I have 1 busy schedule all summer, but I'm going to have lots of videos prepared. It'll be fine. Before I go to any of these camps, I'll try to make 2 videos a day. I promise you I will try my hardest. I'm not going to slack on these. Once I get those 2 videos up, maybe even 3. I'm just trying to push myself so you guys don't get upset with me and say, Alex, why aren't you producing enough videos? So don't worry, guys. I will try my dear hardest. I promise you. So, that's pretty much all I really want to cover. And, yeah, I really want to thank you guys. We're about to hit 1.1 thousand subscribers. We already have 1,000, but we are about to get 100 more. We're at the 1,100. We're currently at 1,095, 94, somewhere around there. So, if you guys are new to the channel and want to help me out to get that 1,100 subscribers, feel free to do so by tapping the subscribe button, and make sure to like today's video. I love recording these, and I love to get the support on each video, so make sure to drop a like before you leave. It really helps me out in comments what you guys think of this whole camp thing, if I have a busy schedule, or you guys really, I want your opinions on it. If I make 2 to 3 videos, you guys are going to tell me how many videos seems right to you guys, because my leadership camp is right after my Boy Scout camp. And a lot of people find being a Boy Scout cheesy, but seriously, I take it as a big responsibility, and I really find it fun. And some whole big experience you can't do when you're older. Might as well live life as it is now. Oh man, I'm parkouring it up right now. I'm like jumping side to side, Assassin's Creed style. So bam. Oh, I can't get the Scout. Gosh darn it. Alright. Oh man, I'm really really Assassin Creeding it up. Alright, let's see if we can do one more jump. Is that a verb? Assassin Creeding it up? I'm pretty sure that's not a verb. Alright, let's do one more, and there it is. I know there's one more, so I was looking. Alright, Mac 10, totally worth the shot. But Mr. Flop, where are you, buddy? You're gonna be my final kill before I end the episode off. So, Mr. Flop, where are you? I'm coming to get you. Where are you, man? I pull my Felchion. Felchion, I love this. Nice. Can't click F. I don't know why. I'd be tapping F right now if you guys can hear that. Probably not, because I kind of beast. Oh, whoa! I might die from my last episode. No, I'm not dying from the last episode. Yes! What? I didn't die. Oh, I won. I won, but he got MVP because he killed the other guy. So, guys, my name's Alex. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys on next time, and have a marvelous day. Bye-bye.